Hi everyone, it's Dawn and welcome back to my channel. So I've got something new that I'm doing in my skincare routine, and it's new to me, but it is definitely not new, and there are many videos about it on YouTube. But there is something new that as a nurse I know is a good thing, and I've known it's a good thing, but I have not introduced it consistently into my routine because I found it very difficult. And the thing is dermarolling. And the reason I found it difficult is because I don't enjoy it. I don't think it's pleasant rolling that derma roller all over your skin. And I don't typically use tools in my skincare routine. I really don't have anything. I don't use a Clarisonic. I don't use any kind of tools on my skin. And so now that I'm 50, I do get a little bit concerned about this part of my face in particular. I'm concerned that things are going to get looser, obviously, and they will, and that I'm going to get jowls, or that I'm going to start to get those vertical lines around my lips. And I wanted to be proactive and do some things that I thought could help before all of that kind of stuff sets in. So I did introduce derma rolling. And what really prompted me to do it was that I received an email from Amber Skincare. She's a YouTuber and an esthetician, and she wanted to send out a derma roller and one of their serums for me to try. And I've had it in my mind that I've been wanting to do this. So I said, okay. I did purchase a derma roller in the past from TJ Maxx, but I was really reluctant to use it because some of the things that I've read are that if the needles are slanted or not just right, it could actually damage your skin, or if they're not medical grade, there's different things that can happen, you know, they could rust and yada, yada, yada. So anyway, I researched the Amber Dermaroller, and this is the one that was sent to me. It looks like this, and this is the 0.5. The 0.25 is for serum absorption. It makes little micro channels in your skin just deep enough to help your serums absorb better. The 0.5 is for wrinkles, some repair of your skin. It goes deep enough. It makes those micro channels that also help your serums absorb, but it also causes a little bit of injury to your skin that sets your skin into repair mode. And when your skin is repairing itself, it's building collagen and things like that. And I've researched derma rollers a lot, and I've really believed that the science is there. I equate it to like a laser. When you go get a laser treatment, which I've never had before, but it creates like little injuries to your skin that then your skin repairs itself and builds collagen. So I thought, well, that makes sense that when you're rolling, you're creating a little bit of damage and it's causing your skin to say, oh no, there's damage, I'm gonna have to fix it. And it goes in and it builds collagen. So I really do believe that the science is there, and it backs up that consistent use of a derma roller could be beneficial to building collagen and a more youthful appearance over time. The key is that you have to be consistent with it. And that doesn't mean to use it every day. That means like once a week, because if your skin is repairing itself and building collagen, you don't want to go right in and do it again and tear up the collagen that your skin is building. You want to give your skin time to completely heal and then do it again. So I've decided to implement this every Sunday night. And I am not going to lie, this 0.5 is uncomfortable. Not uncomfortable enough that I want to use a lidocaine cream, because I've heard many women, Mary Ellen after 60 does some great derma rolling reviews, and I'm gonna link her. I think she may even have a playlist. If she does, I'll link it below. Beauty by Anne Marie is another one. You know, there's so many women here on YouTube that talk about derma rolling, and I think you can find way better videos than mine to tell you how to do it, but I'm just gonna share with you what I'm doing. So you just want to do it about once a week. And before you do it, you want to use an alcohol and isopropyl. I just have a bottle of isopropyl alcohol that I keep in this little spray bottle, and then I give it a good spray. I really douse it, and then I let it sit in its case and dry prior to derma rolling. And then I take a cotton ball and I spritz some of this on the cotton ball, and I go over my entire face with it prior to derma rolling as well, so that my skin is really clean. You don't want to derma roll with any makeup on or anything like that. You want to make sure your face is perfectly clean. And like I said, I use an alcohol pad to just wipe off my entire face, douse the dermaroller. Now, if you use the lidocaine cream, you put it on and then you have to wait until it works and then wash it off. And that's a whole nother step that would deter me from actually dermarolling. So I decided just to bite the bullet and go ahead and endure a little bit of discomfort and dermaroll. So I'll put in a clip of me doing it. And, you know, I just do it like everyone tells you to do. I go 10 times up and down in every area. And then I go side to side, side to side. So that way every area has been hit with the dermaroller. This particular dermaroller has medical grade needles, and I believe there's something like 195 needles on this dermaroller. So it's making those micro channels, and it does make me very pink, and it does make my eyes tear up. So, I mean, not that I'm crying, it's just that natural, you know, it just happens. My eyes get a little watery. So if you see that I'm not crying, it just is a reaction. I've tried doing it all over my face. My forehead is very tender when I do it. It's a habit I have to get into, but I can definitely do it once a week. I think it's a good thing. So that is the new thing. Then Jen Amber sent me their peptide cream. It's natural, organic, clean peptide. And that's the other thing. I want to make sure that anything that I'm putting directly on my skin after I'm dermarolling is clean, because I want it to be natural and organic. I don't want anything with like pesticides or anything that's toxic getting into my skin. I was even a little nervous to use this one because I just was not sure about it. So when I first started doing it, I was using my Oz Naturals retinol. This is their 2.5 retinol, or my Mad Hippie vitamin C serum. But I did do some research on the Jen Amber site, and then I started to feel more comfortable with this peptide serum. I am a big believer in peptide serums. I just did a whole video on peptides and how important I think they are. The other one I really like is the Derma E peptide and collagen cream. I just rub that on at night. So I only do this at nighttime because I don't want to put any makeup on my skin until everything's kind of healed up. It doesn't make me bleed, but just knowing there's those micro channels in my skin, I don't want to put any makeup on that. So I sleep through the night, go through my morning routine and everything, and then later I put the makeup on. And I did it last night, and I already have my makeup on, and there's no problems. I don't have any sores, you know, nothing on my skin that would deter me from wearing my makeup. I would not do it in the morning because I would not want to put anything on my skin other than my serums after I'm done doing it. And I have been spending extra attention on my lips because I really don't want my lips to get those vertical lines. So I've just been really going over my lips really well, like in all the directions, like I told you. And what I'm putting on my lips prior to doing it is I'm using my Tree Hut. This is my Sugar Lip Scrub. I love this stuff. It's mint, vanilla mint. You just put it on your lips and rub it in, and then I wash it off. That way I've got my lips completely exfoliated. Then I do the alcohol and the dermaroller, wipe my lips with alcohol, dermaroll, and then I've been putting on my Algenist Lip Collagen. And this is something that I've made a video about this in my favorites a couple months ago. It's something I've been using, and I don't know that it's doing anything, but it's got collagen in it, and it's a cleaner product, and I really like it. So I put this on my lips. And then right before I go to bed, I put on my Sarah Happ Lip Slip. And this is just a beautiful cream. I also really like Badger Balm, the Damascus Rose or Sea Buckthorn Badger Balm. That's another great lip product that you can put all over your lips, and it really hydrates them. So I was in correspondence with Jen Amber while I was doing this. They kept asking me how I liked it, and I wasn't really sure at first, and then they checked in with me again, and I had been doing it, so I gave them an update about that, and then I still didn't make a video, so they touched base with me again, and I gave them another update and told them that I was very pleased with it, that it was going well, that I'm now using the peptide serum, and it feels really good, and I think I've gotten into a groove. So they did say that they would send me a vitamin C serum and a hyaluronic acid serum, because those are good serums to put on after you dermaroll as well. The Gin Amber site is not expensive. The Dermaroller is $29 retail price. They did give me a discount code to give to you. I am really impressed with this Dermaroller. I think this is probably the only Dermaroller I would buy. I compared it to one that I got at TJ Maxx years ago, and I kind of took that one apart to look at it, and it does look, you know, it was a little bit wobbly, and I didn't feel real comfortable with it, so that was a big deterrent for me to even use it. This one is really nice. It rolls so smoothly. Like I said, it's medical grade needles, and there's plenty of them. And then their serums look really good too, and they retail like in the $30 range, but again, I've got a discount code. But if you have clean organic serums that you really like, you could use those too. I just wanted to give you an update on what I'm doing to help this part of my face. I think that, you know, it's kind of like with clean beauty. I stick my toe in the water and I never jump right in. And with this, I've got my toe in the water. I really like it. And I think that once I get the groove going, I'll start dermarolling my whole face. But I'm just such a cautious person when it comes to anything new. And I like to do a lot of research on things before I buy into hype, like I said. So I'm kind of learning along with you, and I'm sure many of you will share tips with me that will help me learn, and that's really what this is all about. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please ask them below, and I hope that I didn't forget to tell you anything, and I'll keep you updated as I go on with my dermarolling journey. And again, share any information you have with me. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you all have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.